We're going to take a look at the iPhone's Maps application. If we open the Maps app, we can see that with iOS 6, the maps have been completely redesigned from the ground up. Opening the maps takes us to our current location. We can pinch and zoom to zoom in or zoom out of the map, and if we press the location button in the bottom left hand corner, it'll center us in the middle of the screen. Pressing in the bottom right hand corner, we can change our view from standard to hybrid. Here is showing the satellite view, which will give us a street overlay. If we want to change it to satellite and remove the street overlays, just press satellite. Going back to the standard view, we can see the street overlays without the satellite view. If we press and hold anywhere in the map location, we can drop a pin. Once this pin's been dropped, we can see the location of the pin and the address of it. If we press the blue button on the right hand side of the pin, here we can go and see the pin details, where we can get directions to and from here, remove the pin, add it to contacts, share the location, add to bookmarks, or report a problem. If we press in any of the locations on the map, say the blue circle for example, here we can see that this one is a chevron. If we press for the details, here we can see the phone number, the website, the address, and here we can also add to contacts, bookmarks, share the location, or report a problem. If we go back to the main maps menu, here we can start searching for an address. We're going to search for a Starbucks and see how many are around us. As you can see, it found 3 of them, and the one that it selected has a 3-star rating. With the new Maps app, a new location that has a Yelp review will be automatically imported into the Maps application. As you can see here, we can see more information on Yelp if we'd like to, or right from this application we can read reviews by pressing on the Reviews tab, and we can see the top 3 reviews for the specific Starbucks location. Or if we press on the Photos tab, we can see all the photos that are associated with this location on Yelp. We can also add a photo by pressing on the Add Photos tab. If we'd like to get directions to here, go back to the Info tab, and then tap Directions to here. We can see that our start location is our current location, and the ending location is going to be this Starbucks. We can see here we have an overview of our route. If we press Start, it's going to bring us into the navigation mode and give us turn-by-turn directions on how to get there. If we tap on the screen, we can see our estimated time of arrival. If we wanted to, we can tap Overview and see the overview of our route again. All we have to do to resume is hit Resume. We'll be taken right back into our navigation mode. If we want to end our route, all we have to do is press End. New to Maps in iOS 6 is called 3D Flyover Mode. Currently, this is only available in select cities, so before looking at your current location, check to see if your city is listed in that. Here we're going to search for the AT&T Park in San Francisco. As you can see, it's looked up our location that we've typed in, and if we hit 3D in the lower left hand corner, we'll be taken to a 3D view. If we tap on the hybrid mode, this will show us the gorgeous satellite view in 3D mode of the AT&T Park. As you can see that the rendering is actually happening really quickly, and we can see this done in real time. If we pinch and zoom, we can zoom in on the location, and if we use 2 fingers, we can rotate around our map to get a better view of what we're looking at. If we take 2 fingers and swipe up or down, we can change our view. And here, if we turn on the satellite mode, we won't be able to see the streets anymore. As you can see that this renders really quickly, and it's really beautiful.